Hello and welcome back to Timmy's 10 again. Today we are unboxing a Faster Than Ever from 2011, and it's the Volkswagen Type 181. And I've had a couple of these before. I've never had this color. Looking forward to adding this to my collection. And I believe that top will pop off if it's just like the other ones I have. Remember, this is 2011. Instant win game, peel to play. Alright, so it's a lot of blah 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 from 2011 and irrelevant today. Oh, I like that a lot. I like the color. Got the sounds of the outside here in New Hampshire. Now to see if it pops off the top. It does, easily I might add. And then to put it back on, you want to hook it right in there where the rearview mirror would go. And then it just snaps right down nice and easily. Thanks so much for tuning into Timmy's 10 again. You just watched us open up a Volkswagen Type 181. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again.